Hi, I'm Martin Miles, and some of you know me as an author of the largest unofficial knowledge base for Sitecore, which is called Sitecore Link, and you may see an old version of it open in my browser at the moment. So this one is since 2015, and it came to a good time to rebuild it for better. And I'm quite happy to say, since recent, I'm not the only developer for this project, and I've got a wonderful colleague whom I introduced to you at the end of this video. And together we have released an update version for this website built with Sitecore and JavaScript services, all these latest technologies, Sitecore 10 and JSS 14 as for today. And this new website is with us since mid of June, but now we are happy to release the source code for that one. It is available from the GitHub account. You may get URL here, and it comes with quite a long instruction on how you can set it up, what you need to patch, which configs you need to do. So it has some explanation and plenty of points. At least it gives an understanding what's happening under the bonnet. But there is another much easier way of how you can set it up just in a matter of few clicks on your local development environment. And in order to do so, you may use the tool that is called Sifon. So Sifon is a tool written by me that so what it can do, it's just multitask PowerShell host which has built-in features for backing up, restore, remove your clean up your instances, but it also has a very powerful plugin mechanism, and I will demonstrate how to use it just in a second. So I have Sifon up and running here, and you see it's pointing to my local instance. I have a local instance of Sitecore 10 here, and let's go to plugins. Currently I got no plugins. It only offers me to get them, and clicking get in plugin will literally it will clone all the publicly available plugins from GitHub repository, another one where everyone can contribute, write your own plugin, and it will work with Sifon. So as soon as I install them, they are already available here from the same menu in the form of just tree hierarchy. So the one I'm looking for, it is called install Sitecore Link, and it prompts me that Sitecore Link requires JSS and CLI. I already have them, but if you don't, you can install Sitecore package also from here. Just click install Sitecore package, and you may choose which one to install. Like, you can select JavaScript services, click install, and it will do the job for you. But I already have it, so I don't need. Instead, I will just go and click Sitecore Link installation. So the plugin will run the PowerShell script that simply does the whole job for me. And at the bottom of the screen you may see what it actually is doing. So now it managed to obtain JSS API key. It is verifying whether it works or not. It will do clone the code, does npm install. So basically it will repeat all the steps that have been written in the installation guide. So now it will take a while, and I will probably pause the video and return to you once it is close to the finish. So now the script has finished its work, and it is time to take a look what it has done. Yeah, once again, this tool can be downloaded from the website sifon.uk. Here is download button where you can get the latest version. So the script has done plenty of tasks, and one of them was creating a solar core and installing a new index. So if you can see, there is a new index which has been rebuilt. I can do it once again. You see it works perfectly well, so all job has been done. And let's go to the website. Yeah, as I said, welcome Mati. He's another developer. He has done a wonderful job for making this JSS website going live, and he helped the project quite much. So this wouldn't be possible without him. And here is the local version of website. So as you can see, everything works fine, search works. It has the sample subset of data at the moment, which is installed from the packages by the script. There's no sense of providing the whole database because it will take ages for you to deploy and for the script to deploy. It's only a sample just to demonstrate how the source code works. So that's it. Thank you for watching and hope you will find it helpful.